Welcome to U-Wrench. Today we're back working on the Grand Caravan. This is the Mark V model, and in today's video, just a quick video for you, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the rear wheel arch liner. Let's get it done. So for our rear liner here, as you can see, it kind of ends just over halfway across the wheel arch, so it's kind of almost like half a liner. And thankfully, to get this thing removed, it's very, very easy. So what we need to do is have a look at what's holding it in. So we have a series of plastic clips. You can see the round heads. There's one just here. There's a second one here, and then we have an extra one down here in this little cutout just down there. So to get these plastic clips out, sometimes you can do it with your fingers without needing any special tools. They can be a little bit tight. And if yours are a little bit stubborn, this is a fantastic little tool. You can pick these up on Amazon. They're not very expensive at all, but for removing these types of clips, these are absolutely fantastic. We'll add some links in the video description below for these tools on Amazon. So if you're looking at getting one, please be sure to use our links. With these tools, you slide it in behind the head, pull it forward, and the whole thing will just pop out. So for a second clip here, let's try them again. Oh, that one's much easier. That's a slightly broken one, that's why, but that's our second one removed. Okay, and this third one down here, again, just try giving it a bit of a pull forward. And these are what the clips look like. Literally they're just plastic little compression clips. So with those three clips removed, now start to lift it out. What you want to do is you want to kind of pull it slightly inwards. You want to release this from behind the metal here. So you want to kind of almost twist it slightly inwards. And then the whole thing can be removed. So there we have it. Now we've got that removed, we can access whatever it is you need to. In our particular case, we're going to be doing some work on the gas filler hose here. So we hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, you can take 1 second out of your busy day just to please be sure to at least hit that like button for us. It really does help us out. Likewise, don't forget, we've also got that subscribe option. We've got loads more great videos on our channel to wait for you to check out. And if it's been helpful for you and you really want to help us out in return, there is the super thanks option. So thank you very much for watching. We do appreciate it. We'll see you again.